How to hide comments on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to hide comments on your post on TikTok if you don't want everyone commenting. So let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app, then head over to your profile in the bottom right corner and then go to the post where you want to hide the comment and then go to the three dots in the bottom right, then swipe to the left and then you can see privacy settings. Once you tap on it, you can see allow comments. Just toggle it off. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.